Hello everyone. We have a unboxing today. This is part of my lab upgrade. So I think we should open it up right here. I will get more in-depth about this situation here in a few days. Hopefully everything works out. Big enough box. So you can tell what it is. There we got JBC. This is a replacement unit, and I will discuss that. It's a DDE-1C 2-tool control unit. So I will discuss why this was sent here coming up in another video. Comes with an instruction manual. Power cord. It's pretty heavy. And the unit. So let me bring this down. We will power this on. And it is at 8866784. I believe that is the current firmware. And all zeroed out. That's it. That's the unboxing. I will go more in depth when I start doing my station upgrade. But let me zoom back out here. Thanks for watching.